Hello, Tom Benjamin, landscape architect with Wellnesscapes Design. You may remember, if you're following me on social media, a coastal restoration, Dune Restoration Project in Rhode Island, across from Block Island Sound, that I posted a video of about a year ago, and is now a year later. It was planted in October of 2018, and is now October 2019, and we did a herringbone fence pattern to accrete sand to gather as much sand as possible, and this is just a quick update of how it's done. The grasses have come in, the beach grass has come in very nicely. Not fully yet. Oh, sorry, there goes a plane. But particularly on the downwind side, we're getting lots of growth, about 75% cover with the intended grasses. So a good first year for this project. Thank you.